Crypto copy trading on Solana. How to maximize your investments on Bingx. Yo, what's up my dudes? Ryan here, and today I'm gonna spill the beans on how you can maximize your investments using crypto copy trading on Solana. This ain't no ordinary tutorial, my friends. This is the real deal, the juicy insider scoop that'll have your portfolio poppin' like a champagne bottle at a rich dude's party. Now, listen up, cause I'm about to drop some serious knowledge bombs. Crypto copy trading on Solana is the way to go if you want to make some serious cheddar without all the hassle of researching, analyzing, and making those gnarly trades yourself. It's like having a professional trader in your back pocket but without the hefty price tag. So, what's the deal with Solana, you ask? Well, let me tell you. This blockchain is like the new kid on the block, but it's already making waves in the crypto world. With its lightning-fast transaction speeds, low fees, and insane scalability, Solana is quickly becoming the go-to platform for all things decentralized finance DeFi. And when it comes to crypto copy trading, it's the perfect playground to put your hard-earned cash to work. Now, I know what you're thinking. But Ryan, how do I actually get started with this whole crypto copy trading thing? Fear not, my friends, because I'm about to break it down for you, step by step. First up, you gotta get your hands on a sweet crypto exchange that supports Solana and offers copy trading features. And let me tell you, Bingx is the real MVP when it comes to this. Not only do they have a killer platform with all the bells and whistles, but they also offer a referral code that'll give you a little extra boost when you sign up. So, make sure to use the code 911 when you're creating your account. Once you've got your Bingx account all set up, it's time to start exploring the world of copy trading. Bingx has a nifty feature that lets you browse through a whole bunch of different traders, each with their own unique strategies and track records. You can even dive into their historical performance and see how they've been doing over time. And get this, my dudes, you don't even have to risk your own hard-earned cash to start. Bingx has a demo mode that allows you to test out different traders and strategies using virtual funds. It's like a free trial, but for crypto trading. How sick is that? Now, once you've found a trader that you're feeling super stoked about, it's time to make that copy magic happen. With just a few clicks, you can link your account to theirs and start mimicking their trades in real time. It's like having a personal trading coach, but without the hefty price tag. But the best part, you can adjust the amount of funds you want to allocate to each trader so you can spread your risk and diversify your portfolio like a true boss. And let me tell you, when you start seeing those gains start to roll in, it's gonna feel like you just won the crypto lottery. Now, I know what you're thinking. But Ryan, what if I want to take a more hands-on approach? No problem, my friends. Bingx also offers a ton of advanced trading tools and features that'll have you feeling like a seasoned pro in no time. You can set up custom alerts, create complex trading strategies, and even automate your trades to keep those gains coming in while you sleep. And the best part, Bingx is constantly adding new features and updates to their platform, so you can be sure that you're always on the cutting edge of the crypto game. Plus, they've got a killer customer support team that's always there to lend a hand if you ever run into any issues. So, what are you waiting for, my dudes? Head on over to Bingx, use that referral code 911, and start maxing and relaxing your way to crypto glory. Trust me, your future self is gonna thank you big time. Oh, and one more thing. Make sure to check out the links and contacts in the comments section below. That's where you'll find all the deeds you need to get started on your crypto copy trading journey. Don't sleep on this, my friends. The future of finance is here, and it's time to get in on the action.